Okay, hopefully you've been following the first 8 videos in this series, and this is number 9, and it's the last one. And it's stuff that we've done before, so it should be real easy. I'm going to do it as fast as I possibly can. I'm going to click on Dreamweaver first at the bottom, and I'm going to go up to File and New. Make sure Blank Page, HTML, and None is clicked, and then click Create. Now we have a blank page. We're going to fit that nav bar into this blank page, and then someday we'll be able to put it into a website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to insert. If you don't have the insert panel here, you go to Window and click Insert, and here's the insert panel, and we're going to click on Div Tag. Once you've done that, you're going to go to ID, and we're going to give it what they call the camel writing, meaning there's each word starts with a capital except for the first one, with no spaces. Navbar, CSS rule, OK. Now we're going to the box part. And if you remember when we started this whole thing, we made a file in Photoshop which was 900 pixels wide and 50 pixels high. We're going to do the same thing there. Then we're going to click near margin, take that off, and go to right and click auto. Then go to left and click auto. And then at the top, we're going to click 75. What the auto is going to do is going to center our nav bar in the middle of the page, and the 75 is going to move it down from the top of the page with a margin of 75 pixels. Now we're going to click OK and OK again. And there's our nav bar. We're going to fit the nav bar Photoshop things that we already made into this spot. First thing we're going to do is delete. Then we're going to do things that we've done before. We're going to click Insert, Image Objects, Roll Over Image, Home, and I'm going to copy that because I know I have to type it again. And I'm going to click Browse, and here's my image folder. And I know that the normal is number 1 for Home, and the over is number 1 for Home. And then I'm going to click down here and put in Home and click OK, and look what happens. It's got a little pattern here, so you want to click right after it, and then you're going to do the same thing. And we're going to do it 5 times, because this one is tutorials. And we go to number 2 normal, and number 2 over. Type in tutorials again, click OK, click at the end of tutorials. You've got the idea. I've done this before. I'm going to make sure I spell that right. Three normal, 3 over, downloads, OK, 2 more, and this is the 4th, and the 4th again on the over. Last one. Fifth over. I'm sorry, 5th normal. 5th over. When it's all neat and clean, it's very simple to do. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. First, we're going to go to Preview Browser and Safari, and then Save. And we're going to give it that same camel effect. We're going to save it to our desktop, or you're going to save it to your document folder, which would be down here. Click Save. Let's see how it works. Perfect. That's it. 9 videos, and this is the final product. Great job.